Hello, welcome to All Our Life How to Make a Paper Palm Paper palm tree. So, yeah, no one else is doing this with me, but domestic water tank is behind the camera. So to make a paper palm tree, you'll need a piece of paper, some scissors, and some sellotape. Those are the three main ones, but you can get some colouring pencils if you need some, if you want to. So first, you're going to roll up the piece of paper. Terrible noises. Like this. Maybe a bit too fun. But then you're going to take a piece of the sellotape, and one piece and stick it on. Then you're going to grab the scissors and you're just going to cut it down. This is a very easy way to make something. But we've got to release something soon. Hopefully the editing will make it a bit longer than it seems. I'd suggest you actually make it a bit longer. Like this. You like these. Here we go. Then you take it down. And yeah, like this. So that's one way to make. And then you just put some more sellotape on it to make it easier to hold. These can't really stand up, but yeah, make sure that you actually hold these down. I feel like this is going to be too short, but it's a couple minutes long. You can put your finger up in it. So yeah, but if you want to do a colouring version, I would suggest that you. Okay, so once you've rolled it up, colour in the place where you're going to put the sellotape in brown, and then colour the rest up to a certain point to brown. So like this will all be brown, but then up here this will all be green. But I would have cut it further just to make it more like a palm tree. I'm just going to, so yeah, just cut in the middle. So this is a very short craft because it's a Sunday and I'm trying to make a promise to you to upload at least once a week. And I got this craft from Tom Gates, the Epic Adventures version. So yeah. So bye and stay with the Ola.